Welcome back, children. Today I'm taking negative numbers and integers, that is chapter 2. Okay, last chapters we have studied in first chapter negative numbers and whole numbers. Okay, all of you know what are whole numbers and natural numbers. Okay, all of you know what are natural numbers, that are counting numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, they are counting numbers, and when you add 0 to it you will get whole numbers. So including 0 it is called whole numbers, and it is denoted as W, and without 0 it is called natural numbers, and it is also called counting numbers, and it is denoted using the letter N. Okay. Next, we are introducing a new number system, that is negative numbers and integers. Before that, let me tell an example. Okay, all of you know to subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. But we know it. What is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, just suppose, imagine you have 5 chocolates with your hand. Okay, you have 5 chocolates with your hand, and you have to give 3 chocolates to your friend. Okay, you have to give 3 chocolates to your friend. Then tell me how much is left in your hand. It is very easy to calculate. That is, total is 5. When you take 3 from it, you will get 2. Okay, so you can easily say 2 chocolates left with you. Okay, next, let us take it means conversely. Let us consider you have 3 chocolates. You have 3 chocolates in your hand. Okay, and I don't know how much chocolate is with you, and I told you to give 5 chocolate to your friend. Give 5 chocolate to your friend. Is it possible? Is it possible? No. You have only 3 chocolates with you, and it is not possible to give 5 chocolates. Okay, so in that case you are less by 2 chocolates. In that case you are less by 2 chocolates. That is, only 3 chocolates you have, but you have to give 5 chocolates, means you are less by 2 chocolates. So that less numbers are called the imaginary numbers. That is, you are imaging. Okay, you are imaging such means if I have 5 chocolates with my hand, then only I can give that. Otherwise, how can I give? Okay, I have only 3 chocolates, so I need 2 more chocolate. So that less quantity is called the negative quantity. It is less. It is less. Okay, that is 2 chocolate is less. It is negative 2. So one more example, if you have 10 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 10 rupees note with you. And when I told you to give 15 rupees to your friend, is it possible? No, you have only 10 rupees with you. Then how can you give 15 rupees? So how much rupees less the? Yes, 5 rupees less. That means negative 5. So in these cases, we need for another number system. You know that 1, 2, 3, etc. are counting numbers, and you are using that numbers to count. But something is missing, means you need to find out the missing numbers. So in that cases, we need a number system. That is, we are imaging such numbers. imaginary numbers. So that imaginary numbers are called negative numbers. Okay, and it is always missing. That is, you are missing 1, you are missing -2, you are missing 3, you are missing 4, etc. So these types of numbers are called negative numbers. Is it clear now? Okay, let me draw another line. So this is our number line, and I told you 1, 2, 3, etc. are 1, 2, 3, etc. are called natural numbers, and when we include 0, you will get whole numbers, and when you mark -1, -2, that is missing numbers, these are called negative numbers. Okay, below 0. Below 0, negative numbers. Below 0. Then after 0, positive numbers. And together we can call this number system as integers. Integers, and it is denoted as I or Z. Okay, Z plus means positive numbers, Z minus means negative numbers, and Z is integer including 0. Clear? So integers of Z. Okay, so negative numbers and positive numbers together called integers. Clear? You can see negative numbers inside a thermometer. Okay, okay, 30 means 0 degrees Celsius, and after that 36 degree Celsius. Then Fahrenheit are also other measurement of means measuring temperature. Okay, means in some countries you can see like Russia, you can see -12 degree, that is Celsius, that is that types of countries are very cold. Okay, cold region countries. Okay, and some means in Saudi Arabia means desert region. You can see higher temperature, that is 50 degree and above 60 degree, like that. Okay, so below 0 we are always saying negative. -2 degree, -3 degree, -4 degree, etc. And here after 0 it is always positive. Okay, so these are positive direction and these are negative direction. Okay, let me tell that. Okay, when you are starting here and you are taking step towards right side, it is always positive. So you can say it is positive direction. Always positive, and it is the positive direction. Okay, when you take your steps on leftwards, it is called the negative direction. Negative direction. So when you take the steps forwards, that is positive direction, and backwards means negative direction, that is rightwards and leftwards. That's all. Okay, and one more thing, when you are standing here, now your value is 1. Okay, when you are taking positive direction, your value increases. Okay, when you take the negative direction, your value decreases. When you take the negative direction, your value decreases. Okay, from this you can find 1 is less than 2 because 2 is on the right side of the number line. Okay, but -1 is greater than -2. Okay, so here also you can see -1 is the right side of -2. -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side of -2. Okay, -1 is on the right side So you are moving means negative direction means your value always decreases. When you go to positive direction, your value increases. That thing you have to remember. The next thing, when you draw a number line and when you mark 0, it is in the middle, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, etc. Okay? When you are standing here and your friend is standing on the opposite direction, okay, when you move together with same speed, when you cover the same distance, don't take the speed, when you cover the same distance, you will arrive at the original point 0. Okay, that is negative 1. When you're adding to these two distance, when you're adding these two distance, you will get 0. When you take negative 2 and positive 2, you will get negative 2 plus positive 2 is 0. Okay, when you take negative 3 and positive 3, it will be 0. Negative 4 plus positive 4, 0. Clear? Okay, good. Integers, some properties are that every positive integer is greater than negative integer. So let me check. So this is our number line, and every positive integer, one is a positive integer, is greater than the negative integer. Yes, we know that one is greater than negative 1. This is an imaginary number, yes. Then 2 is greater than negative 1, 3 is greater than negative 1, 4 is greater than negative 1. Okay, so every positive integer is greater than negative integer. Then a negative integer. The next one, 0 is less than every positive integer. Check it. 0 is here and positive numbers are on the right side of 0. So 0 is always less than every positive integer. Then next, 0 is greater than every negative integer. Yes, 0 is greater than, because it is on the right side of negative numbers, so it is always greater than every negative integer. The next one, the greater the number, the lesser is its opposite. The greater the number, the lesser is its opposite. Let me take two numbers, that is, you know that 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. Yes. But when you take negative 3 and 2, negative 2, what will happen? Negative 3 and negative 2. Negative 3 is here and negative 2 is here. Then what we'll get? Negative 3 is less than negative 2. Clear? That's all. Then showing changes on the number line is given that we can do. Then before that, let me introduce two rhymes. Okay, very small rhymes to find the sum of negative integers and positive integers. Okay, this is a small rhyme and it is very easy. When you do the operations using this rhyme, it will be very easy for you. So my rhyme is, if the signs are same, find the sum and put the same sign. This is my first rhyme, that is, if the signs are same, find the sum and put the same sign. Okay, you can write it as S, 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 S rhyme. S, 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 S rhyme. Okay, if the signs are same, find the sum and put the same sign. Let me take two numbers. -2 plus -3. Here signs are same. So find the sum. First, your first step is find the sum. Okay, and put the same sign. Here it is negative, so put negative. That you will get -5. I will tell how it is coming. Okay, using our number line, I will show you how it is coming. Clear? So next, let me take other two numbers, that is 2 plus 3, both are positive, so take the sum, find out the sum and put the same sign, so you will get positive. If the numbers are -8 plus -10, if the signs are same, find the sum and put the same sign, so your answer is -80. So this is our first rhyme. Okay, then our next rhyme, if the signs are different, what will happen? Okay, let me write that write that rhyme. If the signs are different, if the signs are different, find the difference. Find the difference and put the biggest digits or numbers, biggest digits sir. Digit means numbers, you can take the number itself, biggest numbers sir. So let me take another example. Here you can see if the signs are different, find the difference and put the biggest digit sign. That is, you can take it as, yes, signs are different, find the difference and put the biggest digit sign. Okay, so let me take two numbers, -5 plus +4. Here one is negative and one is positive. Sometimes you can see -5 plus 4 only. It is understood there is a positive sign. The value of 4 is positive. Okay. So here one is negative and one is positive. So if the signs are different, find the difference. Difference means you have to subtract. So I'm subtracting 5 minus 4. I have to subtract the smallest from the biggest. So 5 minus 4 and put the biggest digit sign. Which one is bigger here? It is -5. So put that negative sign here. So after finding the difference, that is 5 minus 4, it is 1, and put the sign, negative sign. So your answer is -1. So let me take another example, 6 plus -3. Okay, here the signs are different, so find the difference. Okay, and put the biggest digit sign. Here the bigger digit is 6, so take that symbol, that is positive. So you will get 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 and your sign is positive. Clear? So let me take another example. (18) plus -48. One is positive and one is negative. So take the difference. That is 48 minus 18. That is equal to 30. And put the biggest digit, which is the biggest number here. It is 48. So put that symbol here. So you will get -30. So when you find the sum and difference of two integers, use these rhymes to do it. Clear? Okay. Then what will happen in multiplication and division? Before that, subtraction. Subtraction of integers. Okay, here one more rule is there. So first you have to follow that rule. After that you can use the same rhyme. Okay, let me tell an example. 6 minus 4. I'll show you how it's happening using a number line. Okay, before that let me introduce this one. These rules. Okay, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Here the rule is when two negative signs came together, it will become positive. So you have to remember it. For that I'll give a clue. If this is you and this one is your friend, and if this positive symbol is you and this one is your friend, positive. Okay, so you will make friendship with the same character. Okay, you will make a friendship with the same character that of you. Then only you will make friendship. Otherwise, you will not make friendship. Okay, if your character and your friend's character are same, then you will make a bond. Okay, if your character and your friend's characters are same, you will make a bond. That means negative of negative is always positive, and positive of positive is always positive. That is same sign. Same sign means just think same characters. You are having same characters, now you will make a friendship bond. That bond is positive. Okay, then if you are positive and your friend is negative, okay, your character is entirely different from your friend, means not your friend, one of your classmates. Okay, your character is entirely different from one of your classmates, so you will not make a friendship with him. Okay, you will never make a bond. Okay, you will always keep a distance, okay, so that distance means it is always negative. Okay, so when two when different signs came together, it is always negative. When same sign came together, it is always positive, and if different sign came together, it is always negative. Okay, so here you will get a same sign, so you can write it here. 6 plus, or you will make a friendship, so 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So let me take another example, negative 6 and negative 4. That is, you are subtracting negative 6 and negative 4 means positive 4, it is understood. Okay, so negative 6, negative 4. So first, okay, let me write it here positive. Okay, then only I can say. Okay, negative 6 minus positive 4. So negative of positive will make negative because the character is different. So write negative there. Now use that rhyme. If the signs are same, find the sum and put the same sign. That is, first you find the sum, 6 plus 4, 10, and put the same sign. So your answer is negative 10. Okay, let me take another example that is equal to negative 6 plus negative 10. Okay, so first you do the character rule, that is positive and negative both are different, so negative 6 minus negative 10. After that use that rhyme, so you will get the answer negative 16. Clear? Thank you. So next I will introduce how to draw this on a number line. Okay, thank you children, bye.